Hello everyone, welcome to Amuda Academy. So in this video, we are going to learn how to prepare P&L appropriation and partners capital account. So this is very easy and very important also. So let us see the question and understand it, and let us prepare the solution also. So let's start. Amitabh and Babul are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3 is to 2, and with a capital of 50,000 and 30,000 respectively, and interest on capital is agreed at 6% per annum. Now Bubble is to be allowed an annual salary of rupees 2,500 rupees, and manager is to be allowed commission of rupees 5,000. This is not the partner. This is one of the manager in the firm. Fine, fine. Amitabh has also given a loan of rupees 50,000 on 1st April. So who is Amitabh? Amitabh is our partner only. So the firm gave some loan to the partner. Fine, understood? Yes. During the year 2019-20, the profits earned is rupees 22,250 rupees. Let me note it down. Profit given is 22,250 rupees. Is that right? Yes, obviously. Prepare P&L appropriation account showing distribution of profit and the partner's capital accounts for the year ending 31st March 2020. Okay, fine. So in the profit, we need to remove something or we need to minus something. So what it is? One thing is manager's salary because it is not related to the partners. So we need to remove it. Then additionally, one more thing is also there. Amitabh has also given a loan. So Amitabh took a loan from the firm, and for that he needs to pay interest, obviously, right? So what is the interest rate? There is nothing mentioned in the question. Interest rate not mentioned in the question. Whenever you didn't get or the question doesn't specify any interest on loan, so you need to consider 6% is the standard interest rate. This is given by the Partnership Act 1932. So this is the standard interest rate you need to consider. So we need to remove two things. One is manager's commission, and again Amitabh's loan interest amount from the profit amount. So let us remove it. What is the amount of manager's commission? It is 5,000 rupees. Directly we will remove. And again, we need to remove interest on loan, right? So what is the amount taken? 50,000 is the loan amount. Here it is. Fine. So 50,000 rupees into 6%, which is specified by Partnership Act 1932. Right? Fine. So what is the amount? I think it is 3,000 rupees. You calculate it once. Right. So let me minus both the things. 22,250 rupees minus 5,000 rupees minus 3,000 rupees. 14,250 is the profit now. Right. So this profit we will consider in P&L appropriation account. So profit and loss account, which will be shown as 14,250 rupees. Did you understand? Yes. Let us continue with the question. Then they have given capitals, so we will show it in the partner's capital account. So interest on capital is agreed 6% per annum, where we will show it in the P&L appropriation account, obviously on debit side, because expense or loss of the firm we will show it on debit side, and if there is any income for the firm, we will show it on credit side. Did you understand clearly? Yes. Let us move on. So interest on capital. Who and all are the partners? Amitabh and Babul, correct? So what is the capital? 50,000 for Amitabh and 30,000 for Babul. Fine. So what is the interest on capital? It is 6%. Let us calculate the interest on capital. 50,000 into 6%. It is 3,000 rupees, and 30,000 into 6%. It is 1,800 rupees. Total interest will be 4,800 rupees. Is that clear? Yes, obviously. Then what is given in the question? Manager's salary. We have already treated. And here something is there. Bubble is to be allowed an annual salary of 2,500 rupees. 2,500 as annual salary. So let me clearly erase this. Yeah, is it visible clearly? So here it is given. Bubble is to be allowed an annual salary of 2,500, where it will come on P&L appropriation, obviously on debit side. Right. Bubble's salary. How much it is? 2,500 rupees. Then what is given in the question? Manager's salary we minused. Amitabh's loan interest we minused. During the 19 profits earned, everything is done. So we need to total and distribute the profit. So 14,250, 14,250. What is the balance? 14,000 out of 14,250. Whatever expenditure of the firm is there, we will minus it. 4,800 minus 2,500 rupees. The remaining balance is 6,950 rupees. So this 6,950 rupees we will distribute among the partners. Profit transferred to partners capital account. You need to write full form. So don't write short forms in the notes also and in the exams also. Right. So A and B, that is Amitabh and Babul. What is the profit? 6,950 rupees. 6,950 rupees. In what ratio we will share? We will share among the partners is profit sharing ratio 3 is to 5, which means 3 divided by 5 and 2 divided by 5. So let us calculate 6,950 into 3 by 5. It is 4,170. 4,170. 6,950 into 2 divided by 5. It is 2,780. Right. So is that clear how we can how we can distribute the profits among the partners? I think you understood it clearly. So let us move on to partners capital account. Partners capital account is very easy if you prepare P&L appropriation. Just transfer the capitals whatever available. Right. So let us transfer. Balance brought down. So what is the capital given? 50,000 and 30,000. 50,000 and 30,000. This is for Amitabh and this is for Babul. Amitabh and Babul. Fine. So is there any withdrawals? No, nothing is there. Straight away, whatever you have written on the debit side of P&L appropriation, directly you write it on credit side of partners capital account, nothing else. So what is there first? Interest on capital. Interest on capital. How much? For Amitabh, it is 3,000 and for Babul, it is 1,800. 3,800. 3,800 rupees. Is that clear? What is there? Next, Bubbles salary is there. Why we are transferring on credit side? Because these are income for the partners. Bubbles salary. How much it is? 2,500 rupees. There is nothing for Amitabh. 2,500 for Bubble. Understood? Yes. Then what is there? P&L appropriation balance is there. So profit and loss appropriation. So what is the balance? 4170, 4170 for A and 2780 for Bubble. Is that clear? Yes, obviously. Is there anything else in the question we need to transfer to partner's capital account? There is nothing. So balance it out. So balance it out. Is that clearly visible? Yes. 50,000 rupees plus 3,000 rupees plus 4170. It is 57,170 rupees. And the next for bubble 30,000 plus 1,800 plus 2,500 plus 2,780 plus 370, 37,080 rupees. 37,080 rupees. Same balance, right? On debit side also 170. There is nothing to minus, so directly you can write balance carry down, right? So 57,170 rupees and 37,080 rupees. So that's it. We prepared P&L appropriation account and also partners capital account with this question. So kindly note down all the points. P&L appropriation, partners capital account. Take a screenshot and here is the calculation also. Fine. Did you understand? Yes. So that's the end of the video. If you have any doubt, you can ask through the comment and also you can text through Instagram. So I have given all the links, playlist link and Instagram links in the description. So you can watch all the videos and you can ask doubts in Instagram and also comment. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.